Welcome to today's lesson. How AI thinks. Context, instructions, tokens, and structure. Have you ever asked ChatGPT a question and got an answer that didn't make any sense? Maybe it misunderstood you, missed the point, or gave too much detail. That's because AI doesn't think like a human. It follows patterns, and if you understand how it processes your text, you can make it work exactly the way you want. Let's break it down. First, context. Think of context as the world the AI lives in. It includes everything you've said in the conversation, plus how you phrase your new request. If you say, "Write about marketing," the AI has no idea what kind of marketing you mean. Online, email, or maybe billboard ads. But if you add context, like, "You are a digital marketing expert for a small coffee shop. Write a short post promoting a new latte flavor," the answer becomes specific, useful, and natural. The clearer your context, the better your result. Next, instructions. Instructions tell the AI what to do with that context. Compare these two prompts. "Tell me about Excel" versus "Explain how to remove duplicates in Excel, step by step." The second one works better because it tells the AI what action to take. Good instructions use verbs, explain, summarize, compare, create, list, or analyze. Now, tokens. Every sentence you write is split into tiny pieces called tokens. Tokens are like the words and punctuation that make up your message. The AI reads and predicts tokens one by one. It also has a memory limit. If you write too much, older parts can get pushed out of memory. So shorter, well-focused prompts are easier for AI to handle and usually give sharper answers. Finally, structure. Structure is what turns a random request into a professional prompt. A simple and effective structure looks like this. Role, task, context, constraints, output format. Here's an example. Bad prompt. Explain Power BI. That's too vague. Good prompt. You are a Power BI consultant. Explain how to create a sales dashboard using sample data. Keep it under 200 words. Use bullet points and make it simple for beginners. See the difference? The good prompt tells the AI who it is, what to do, what it's about, how long to write, and what format to use. That's a full set of instructions the AI can follow perfectly. So how does AI think? It doesn't actually think like we do. It predicts what word should come next, based on patterns from billions of examples. But if you give it the right context, clear instructions, manage your tokens, and apply solid structure, it feels like you're talking to a smart assistant who just gets it. Next time you type a prompt, remember, clarity is power. A vague question gives a vague answer. A structured, specific prompt gives you exactly what you need. Subscribe to never miss another video.